2-year degree granting program launched by IIMA titled Online MBA employs a judicious mix of live online classes and on-campus modules to strengthen the managerial decision-making skills by exposing participants to decision-making frameworks that are built around human behavior, economics, finance, and probabilistic reasoning, to name a few. The online sessions focus on elements of decision making that are more amenable for quantitative and analytical approach. On the other hand, the campus sessions are actually focused on building interpersonal and group skills that are required to deliver results in complex organizations of today. The program adopts a pedagogy which is participant focused, based on cases, which brings to classroom applications of concepts than just hollow theory. The group and individual projects that are built into the curriculum helps the participants integrate the learnings that they have built around different functional core and the business environment into real life applications. The participants in the program on graduation shall join the vast and rich alumni network of IIMA to continue their journey onward in their process of learning.